I'll ask you a very simple question. Is it the case that you hold white people as a group liable for the sins of their fathers?
Yes.
Kulandzela kuphi inzilitana lokwenteke itolo Malema uchubekile ngekwetfula bufakazi bakhe enkantolo na lomuhla.
You want to say that you, me, white people, are the same as people from 1652, from 350 years ago?
You are the same.
You want to say it's the same?
You are the same. You are the same. This matter that why are we paying for the sins of our parents or grandparents as the current generation is neither here nor there. You have inherited the debt and you shall pay the debt. Madiba coerced us into reconciling with people who have never been one with.
Oppenheimer ukhale ngekutsi le ngoma yenta kutsi imindeni lemibili yebalimi labahlaselwa emaplazini ihlukumedeke ngekwengcondvo. Kuloko Malema uphendvule wasi.
A trauma of my parents who have had to pick up the dead bodies in Soweto of their children who went to school and came back dead. That is not called a real trauma. The 80s, our children killed in the 90s. That is not called a real trauma. A real trauma is white. It has got color of two families. I'm talking here, thousands of children have died. Thousands of children have seen their mothers being tortured.
Malema ke ubese ukhuluma nangesihlakalo lesendeka kubo.
I was young when police walked into my mother's house and she was sleeping. They took off her blankets off. Men, she was not dressed up. She was sleeping. Men took off her blankets. I live with that for the rest of my life, that some strange man came into my house and took off the blankets of my mother to search if she's not a terrorist. That is not real trauma because it's not white. A black child's trauma is not a trauma. We are still a traumatized nation.
Ummeli wa Malema uthi kusasa batawuba nafakazi losati setingoma neticubulo temibhikisho. Emva kwaloko Malema ukhulume nebalandzeli be-EFF.
To be brought to court is part of the struggle. To go into prison is part of the struggle. To die is the highest honor in the struggle.
Ubese uyivala kanjena.
I didn't ask those lawyers if I can sing that song on. No government.
Lelikala liyachubeka nakusasa.
No government.